In this video, we are going to talking about how to take command line input or a standard system input in any online exam like in MCAT or in TCS exam or in some recently MDocs asks take input from system or take input from argument. So in this question, we have to take two inputs from system or argument. First input is uh, integer and second one is a string. So how we do take input from system using Java, I am going to show you. First we import this, import java.util.star. This will import java.util.star util package. It's important. Without this we cannot take input from system. You have to import java.util.star. After that, this is our class, this is our main method. Here you have to declare object of a scanner class. A scanner, here I name its object input, whatever input. Okay, it's random what we want, any name. New scanner system.in. Okay, so it is okay, input, we have a scanner object. Now we have to store our first integer data 12, okay, into we have I want to store in value. Into value we will define a variable, integer variable. Input whatever is scanner name, input dot next int. Okay, next int, this is for take integer from system or command line, and here we are printing those things, system.out.print value. Okay, and our next line is a string. We have to take a string. For to take that string we need to go for next line, because here is not next line anything written here. So we have to go for next line. For go to next line, type input whatever scanner object name dot next line. You will go to next line, cursor will go to next line in command, and take the string str. Save the command line string in string str input dot next line. One more thing, after a string, if we want to take input from integer, we doesn't need this input dot next line, because in this here we are already gone for next line after execution this. So I am going to run this program, run this. Okay, here we have to give input, because here system is not giving. In exam, in any online test TCS, whatever here I am going to provide input to this code, system will provide there. Okay, so first integer is 76. Okay, here we saw that our output input value is 56. So we successfully store system value in our own defined variable input, so we can use that variable value in any other in our code. Okay, and for next line, here is a string. Suppose laptop is a machine. Check enter. Okay, I will show you. Okay, it will store here. Yeah, laptop is a machine. Input string is whatever we store in str here. Laptop is machine we are printing. And okay, one more thing I want to run this again. Okay, here is check again. Suppose system input is 56, it will show we access this system input. So this is, and for string we are going to here string is str take enter. Okay, you can see that. again I'm going to run this code. You can see this ship 76. Here is our string str. Cool. Input string is str. I did not save my file last time, so that's why that's showing area. In this exam, this is simple. We are taking some integer value from system or command line argument and a string. And for advanced level, suppose there is a question like that. Here is gone for clear console. Okay. Suppose there is a question asking you to suppose in question they are providing a array and array data also. You have to store array. So how can you store a command line array in your program? So for array question, they will give you first line contain the size of array, how much element in there, and second line is contain space with space value 167 123. So we have to store this array value in our defined array, so we can use in program. For this purpose, we have here we have this. Wait, just okay, just here. So system. So what we do? Okay. Here we are providing the size of array in first, and then input dot next line. We go for next line as because previous was integer, so we have to go for next line. So that's why we write input dot next line. And now we have a size, so we define our array new int size. So and we are having a loop on that array int I equal to 0, I less than I plus plus, and storing the input dot next in our array. I will show you here. So run this code again. Yeah, something went wrong here. Okay, save this, run this code, provide array size. Okay, suppose we are string 4 value, 4 enter, and next line we have to, if for command line providing you is element of array, suppose 1 2 space 65 space 87 space 656. Okay, and enter. So we are successfully saving our array. System.out.println, we are here displaying our array. So in this way we can store a array from a command line also. Hope this video will be useful to understand how standard input we take in Java, and some online competition also they are asking you to take input from system, like in hackerrank or hackerart we have to do same thing. Hope this will be helpful for you.